You'll discover how it's possible to build wealth without drawing attention to yourself. If you apply all 9 of these strategies, you can quietly become a millionaire. So make sure to watch until the very end to learn each one. Let's begin. Number 1. Simplify and automate your finances. Truly wealthy people don't rely on self-control alone to save money. Instead, they build smart systems that do the work for them. When your finances are automated, the important decisions are made in advance, and temptation has far less chance to interfere. Picture this. Your salary arrives on the first day of the month. Almost instantly, a preset amount is automatically moved into your savings or investment account. You don't touch it, you barely notice it, and it never feels like money that's available to spend. This simple setup builds discipline with very little effort. Over time, these small, quiet transfers grow into something meaningful. Many people underestimate how powerful automation is because they're focused on fast results. But the truth is, automation doesn't just help you save. It builds consistency, and consistency is one of the main engines behind long-term wealth. Number 2, create multiple separate accounts. Most people keep everything in one checking account, and that often makes it easier to overspend. A better approach is to split your money into clear categories. Use one account for bills, another for investments, one for long-term savings, and maybe one more for guilt-free spending. To make this even more effective, you can keep these accounts at different banks. When money isn't right in front of you, it's much easier to forget about it. A friend of mine does something simple. He sends $350 every month into a separate account and never touches it. 3 years later, when he finally checked it, he found almost $13,000 waiting there. That's the power of keeping your money out of sight. Wealth grows best when it's not constantly in front of your eyes. If you want more tips like this, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Number 3, keep a low profile. Quiet wealth is about safety and freedom, not about showing status. Instead of upgrading your car every few years or moving to a bigger home just because your income increased, it's often smarter to stay where you are. Many self-made millionaires continue to drive dependable cars and live in fairly modest houses, even when they could easily afford much more. And there's a good reason for that. Every dollar not spent on showing off is a dollar that can be invested into assets that grow their wealth. Staying under the radar also helps you avoid unnecessary questions, judgments, and pressure. Sometimes it's simply better to keep your plans and progress to yourself. Number 4, learn to freeze. Your lifestyle inflation is one of the biggest hidden enemies of financial progress. It usually works like this. You get a raise, and soon your apartment, your car, your clothes, and even your restaurants all get more expensive. Before long, your spending rises to match your new income, and financially, you're right back where you started. A lifestyle freeze changes this pattern. The idea is simple. Keep living the same way for at least 12 months after any raise. Imagine your monthly income goes up by $600. Instead of spending it, you send that entire amount straight into investments or toward paying off debt. After just 1 year, you're in a much stronger position and your money is actively working for your future. A graphic designer I know made a smart choice right after she got promoted. Instead of moving into her own place, she decided to keep living with her roommates for 2 more years. The money she saved during that time became the down payment for her home. This is exactly how you turn today's self-discipline into tomorrow's freedom. Number 5, invest in simple low-cost index funds. The stock market can feel intimidating, but building wealth doesn't require finding the next Amazon or Tesla. Index funds provide an easy and quiet way to grow your money. They spread your investment across many companies, which lowers risk while still letting you benefit from overall market growth. John Bogle repeatedly emphasized that for most people, the smartest approach is to invest in low-cost, broad market index funds. He strongly supported passive investing through funds that track the entire U.S. stock market, such as the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund. Imagine investing just $30 per week. Over 10 years, this simple and consistent habit can grow into a meaningful sum, potentially tens of thousands of dollars, without requiring daily attention or active trading. Discipline, time, and the power of compounding are what make this approach so effective for long-term investors. Number 6, use dividend reinvestment dividends. Don't always get much attention, but they can become a powerful and quiet engine for building wealth. Instead of taking those small cash payments from your stocks, you can choose to reinvest them automatically. Over time, this means you keep buying more shares, and those new shares generate even more dividends. This creates a snowball effect. For example, someone who invested $7,000 in dividend-paying stocks 20 years ago and kept reinvesting the payouts could have seen that amount double or even triple without adding any extra money. All of this happens silently in the background, with almost no effort required. Number 7, eliminate debt. Quietly becoming debt-free is one of the biggest and most underrated financial wins. There's no need for a big announcement or a social media post, just a sense of calm and a noticeable increase in your monthly cash flow. Debt is like a chain that ties your income to someone else's obligations. When you pay it off, you take back control of your money. A friend once told me that the best moment in his financial life wasn't getting a raise. It was making his very last student loan payment. From that day on, every dollar he earned truly belonged to him. No one around him noticed, but for him, the change was life-altering. Number 8, hold assets under different names. Privacy is more powerful than most people realize. In some cases, it makes sense to set up an LLC or a trust instead of keeping everything in your own name. This is very common among real estate investors. For example, a company like Maple Ridge Properties, LLC, might own 3 rental properties while the real owners stay out of the spotlight. This helps protect you from unwanted attention, legal risks, or awkward questions from friends and family. It also allows your wealth to grow quietly. As you build your portfolio step by step, it can be wise to keep your name out of public records whenever possible. Number 9, increase contributions automatically. Many retirement and investment plans let you schedule automatic increases to your contributions. For instance, your contribution rate might go up by 1% of your salary each year. It's a small change, so you barely feel it in your paycheck, but over time, it can make a huge difference thanks to compounding. Watch the next video to discover how many people are actually living entirely off dividends. The numbers might truly surprise you. And don't forget to subscribe. Your support helps us grow the channel and create even more valuable content.